First, swipe your finger across the screen until the Setup button appears. Next, press the Setup button. On the Setup menu, use your finger to scroll down the menu to the Power Management option. Next, press the Power Management button on the screen. On the Power Management submenu, press Schedule On/Off. On the Schedule On/Off submenu, press Schedule Off button. The printer presents the message, "The schedule you have created for turning off the printer might prevent you from using web services." While the message may seem to be a bit ominous, it is reminding you that web services needs to have the printer turned on for it to work properly. If you use web services, the printer may be still shut down automatically. However, you will need to turn it back on for the web services to work. To proceed, press the Yes button. The next screen gives the current time on the printer followed by the message, touch Continue to set the time to turn off the printer, or touch Change to change the current date and time. In this demonstration, I will skip setting the date and time. If you need to change the date or the time, you can do so after scheduling the printer for automatic shutdown. Press the Continue button. The Set Time screen appears. The Set Time screen has three lists. The first list represents the hours and has values between 1 and 12. The second list represents minutes and has the values between 0 and 59. The third list contains the time of day, AM or PM. To select the shutdown hour, use your finger to scroll up or down the list of hours. I want the printer to shut down at 8:30 p.m., so I will use my finger to scroll down the list of hours to 8. To select the shutdown minute, use your finger to scroll up or down the list of minutes. I want the printer to shut off at exactly 8:30 p.m., so I'll use my finger to scroll down to 30 on the list. To select AM or PM from the list, use your finger to press the time of day. Since the PM choice is already selected, I don't need to make a choice in this example. Press the Next button. The Select Days screen appears. The Select Days menu is where you select which days of the week the printer will shut down automatically. The list contains days of the week starting on Monday. The OfficeJet 8600 selects Monday through Friday as the default choices. If you want to select Saturday or Sunday, scroll down the list. If you want to exclude a day already selected, press the button for that day. The day will uncheck. For example, I want to exclude Wednesday, so I press the Wednesday button. Wednesday is no longer part of the shutdown schedule. If you want to include or exclude a day not on the screen, use your finger to scroll up or down the list of days. For example, I want to include Saturday, so I scroll down the list and press the Saturday button. In the lower left corner of the screen is a toggle between Select All and Deselect All. To select all of the days, press Select All. Notice the button changes to Deselect All. Press the Done button. On the Schedule Off screen, you will see the current settings for turning the printer off automatically. Pressing the OK button returns us to the Schedule On/Off screen. Across from Schedule Off, notice the word Enabled, indicating the printer is now set to shut down automatically. Press the Home button and the control panel returns to the main menu.